A function in Luau is a way to group code together and run it whenever you need it. Think of it as a shortcut for tasks you might need to do more than once. So let's create a script and let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let's do function, and then you add the function name. For example, say hello. This is how you made a function. Now, in here you can do whatever you want the function to make. So let's do, for example, print hello. Now, this won't do anything because you need to call it. You can call function by saying its name and here in the parameters. We don't have any right now. So if you run, and in the output window, what you can do in view output, we're gonna see hello. You can run this more times. For example, say hello. And now, hello 2 times. We can also, in this function, you can do print hello again. So now if we call this, we do hello again. Let's do this 2 more times. Hello again, hello again. Perfect. Now let's do a function with inputs or parameters. You can make functions that take information to do different things. For example, let's create a function called greet. And here we're gonna add a parameter called name, and it's going to print hello. Now we're gonna call the function. And in here, we're gonna put the name, for example, Bob. Let's run. Hello, Bob. We can do this more times. For example, hello, Jake. Hello, greet, I don't know, Alex. Hello, Bob. Hello, Jake. Hello, Alex. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.